get ready to for dust. We've been ready for so long. Get ready to for dust. When you for dust, you can't go wrong. Get ready to for dust. For dust will make you big and strong. Get ready to for dust. Come on, for dust to this song. For us to this song.
Let's all sing.
Ba-dum bum bum ba-dum 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 bum bum ba-dum 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 bum bum ba-dum ba-dum.
For dust, for dust, for dust, for dust, for dust, for dust, for dust.
Hello, we're for dust. We like to say hello to you. Hello, we're for dust. We like to say hello. Hello, we're for dust. We like to say hello to you. Hello, we're for dust. We like to say hello.
My name is Ogie, I wear blue.
My name's Marshall and I wear red.
My name is August, and I wear purple.
My name's Savannah and I wear yellow.
Nice color. Hello, we're for dust. We like to say hello to you. Hello, we're for dust. We like to say hello. Hello, we're for dust. We like to say hello to you. Hello, we're for dust. We like to say hello.
My name's Benjamin and I wear blue.
My name is Jay and I wear red.
And my name is Gaddy and I wear purple.
And my name's Matty and I wear yellow.
Hello, we're for dust. We like to say hello to you. Hello, we're for dust. We like to say hello. Hello, we're for dust. We like to say hello to you. Hello, we're for dust. We like to say hello. Blue. Red. Purple. Yellow. Hello, we're for dust. Hello to you.
Oh, look everybody, it's Captain Feathersword, the friendly pirate. Come on, everyone, let's all say ahoy there, Captain Feathersword. Ahoy there, Captain Feathersword.
Ahoy there, me hearties. Oh, I'm so glad I ran into you, Marshall. I was trying to find you so that I could say to you... let me try that again. I just wanted to say... Oh, dear. Let me try that again.
Oh, sorry, Captain Feathersword. I'm not quite sure what you're trying to say. Could you say it again, please?
Oh, sure. Let me see.
Ooh, Captain Feathersword, I'm not really sure what hiccup. Hiccup means. Jay, do you have any ideas?
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, let me. Captain, please, repeat the words you were trying to say.
Oh, yes,
Oh. Marshall, the captain is saying hiccup. Hiccup?
Yes, but, Jay, what does that mean?
Oh, absolutely no idea.
Oh, August?
Yeah?
August, could you understand what the captain's saying?
I can understand him, Marshall. He's saying, yeah-ee. Yeah-ee.
August, yes, but what does that mean?
I have no idea.
Oh, what to do? What to do? Jay, any suggestions?
Oh, actually, in this chapter here, it says what to do in the case of Captain Feathersword saying hiccup. Hiccup? And it says to give the good Dr. Nicaboka number 9 a call. She'll know exactly what to do. Ooh. I'll call her right now.
Yes.
She's on speed dial.
Great.
Number 9. Hello, Dr. Nicaboka, number 9. Do you have some time to come and see the captain? We really love the captain. We don't know what he's saying. We need your help. We need your help. She's on her way right now. Wow. That was quick.
Hello. let me introduce myself. My name is Dr. Nicaboka number 9. What seems to be the problem? And how can I help?
Has Dr. Nicaboka number 9 made it in the nick of time? Will she be able to find out what Captain Feathersword is saying? Are Fordust counting on her for the answer?
Everybody clap. Everybody sing. La 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 la. Bow to your partner. And then you turn around. Hands in the air, rockabye your bear. Bear's now asleep. Bear's now asleep. Everybody clap. Everybody sing. La 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 la. Bow to your partner. And then you turn around. Yippee! Hands in the air, rockabye your bear. Bear's now asleep. Bear's now asleep. Bear's now asleep. Bear's now asleep.
The letter A.
A is for apple. 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 Yum yum.
Oh, I'm so glad you're here, Dr. Nicaboka, number 7.
Oh, Captain, it's number 9.
Oh, Dr. Nicaboka, number 9. I'm having a problem saying...
Oh, well, let me take a look. Right? Yes? Interesting. Yes? Captain, well, it's plain and simple. You have a case of the hiccups.
The hiccups? Oh.
That's exactly right. And a simple remedy to help is a glass of water.
Oh, a glass of water. Okay, well, let's see. Happy birthday, Marshall. Oh, it worked.
Oh, thank you so much, Captain Feathersword.
Oh, you're welcome, and thank you, Dr. Nicaboka number 3 for...
Captain, number 9.
Oh, Dr. Nicaboka number 9 for fixing my hiccups.
No problem, Captain, but to help you remember my last name, which is number 9, how about we sing a song about it?
Dr. Nicaboka number 9. She likes to dance and keep it in time. So let's get the rhythm of the feet. Now we've got the rhythm of the feet. Now let's get the rhythm of the number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I'd love to stay and have a groove, but the Fordas show's on. I've got to move.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Try the actions. Let's all sing the words together. Fruit salad.
Fruit salad. Yummy, yummy. Fruit salad. Yummy, yummy. Fruit salad. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Fruity salad. Ah, fruit salad. Yummy, yummy. fruit salad. Yummy, yummy, fruit salad. Yummy, 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 fruity salad. Say goodbye, pizza pie. See you, mate, chocolate cake. Goodbye to you, tiramisu. Off you dot, banana tart. Say goodbye, pizza pie.